Nathan over at Acoustics again from the community booth. Here with some of their outdoor speakers. As you know, if you checked out our site, we've got a lot of different system packages for baseball fields, football fields, any other sports, outdoor arenas or parks, things like that. So here we've got some of their W series. This is the 218, the single 8-inch model. Also the R series. We've got the R.35-3896. We've also got the R.15 coax. And then we, from there, also have the I series models in the WR all-weather configurations. So some great speakers here, whether they're more traditional front-loaded, more conventional, or also like horn-loaded for longer projection, longer throw. This is the R.35-3896, one of my personal favorites. Most of these options here do come in black or white or gray, but these have finished here. Great quality. Also 70 volt or low impedance options available. Great product. We love community, so reach out to us, and we're happy to design some systems for you. But wanted to make sure to put my hands on them in front of you guys so you can get a feel for their size, their shape, what they look like, and built rock solid. So we'll see you next time. On we go.